An important phenomena has been observed. Now, what is that? Migration. Migration of laborers of northeastern India to the mainland India. Now, mostly the people of northeast India, they travel to the mainland India to the places like Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Calcutta, Bangalore, and so on. Now, why this migration in the past few years has been increasing in a rapid way? The first is that some youths they travel move from northeastern India to the other parts of the India because of higher education, job oriented courses, professional courses which is not available in that part of the country. No, a certain segment of the population they move from that place just to have pursue higher education or quality or professional education. On the other hand, the majority population of northeastern India, they move to the mainland India for job opportunities or employment opportunities, and which is very much related and observable phenomena in this days. Now, what exactly happened is that the employment opportunities and job opportunities in that particular area is very less. Second important thing is that mostly the job opportunities are government employment opportunities. Now, those who cannot get government jobs, there is a less scope of private sector enterprises because there is a less expansion of private enterprises or the multinational companies in northeastern states of India. As a result, what happened? The youth salary package or low wages is a concerning issue, so they migrate from northeastern India to the mainland India. Now, migration means what? It simply means that moving from one place to another. Here, the people are moving in the internal part of the country, that is, moving from one part of the country to the other part of the country. Now, mostly they get jobs in which sector? Hospitality, IT, management, call centers, and even daily construction workers. It's not that only the educated class they move from northeastern India to the mainland India. Both educated and uneducated class they move to the cities of where MNCs are working. Now, what happened? Educated class they get jobs in their private sector. Now, various construction activities are going on, infrastructural development are going on, residential parks, eco parks are being done. For they need uneducated laborers like daily construction workers, daily maids are in high demand because people are so much migrating. The local population could not meet the supply of maids, so domestic helpers are required in each and every house. For that high demand for the demand for domestic helper increases. Second important thing is that from drivers, from conductors, from each and everywhere, from hospitals, you can see from doctors to the ward boys, everyone is having their jobs in this country. Now, the most migrated population from Northeast India is to the Bangalore. 27% of the Bangalore migrated population comprises of northeastern laborers. Now, why this is the fact? According to the study of social and economic change, 96% of the migrant population found that Bangalore is safe. It is a safe and welcoming to the migrant laborers who is coming from outside. Second important thing is that the wages which has been provided here is quite high compared to the other cities of the country. So this is a fact why people are migrating from northeastern India to the mainland India. Now, the major causes I have said that the reason is low industrialization, low expansion of MNCs. Mostly jobs are private employment jobs. So it's a very high concerning at this moment. So the Northeast develops. There should be infrastructural development. There should be expansion of MNCs. There should be expansion of private sector so that the people of the Northeast can get their jobs and they can stay at their home and do their work. The COVID time, we have seen that many migrant laborers, they have just run out to their home or they have just gone back to their home because everything was in lockdown and shut down. and there was no job opportunities. It was difficult for them to survive their daily life. So it's a high alarming situation to the government, to the industrialists, to the entrepreneurs of the northeastern India, that they should boost the economic development of the country and provide more employment opportunities. Thank you.